कितें बील जावपाक जाय तें जातलेंच. लोकांक कितें जाय तितलेच गोश्ट जातल्यो. आमचो सरकार they know, our government knows what is the requirement of the people, the बारीक समाजाचे लोक व्हडले सगळे ते शिक्षण जे आहे सगळ्यांचे. I don't think it is possible to bring the bill in this assembly because select committee जी आहा ती बसपाक जाय आणि they have to submit the report to the government जे कॅबिनेट डिसिजन जाल्ले आणि बिल मांडलेले ते डिफरंट आहले. सो ते खातीर सिलेक्ट कमिटीक गेला. सो सिलेक्ट कमिटीचे डिसिजन गव्हर्मेंटाक गेले उपरांतूच गव्हर्मेंट वील टेबल द बिल आनी तेन्ना जो तर आनी कोणाचे कितें ग्रिवियन्स जाल्यार तेणी उलोवंक जाय. आतां तेणी मातशें रावचें. सरकारान तितूंतूच रिक्वेस्ट केला चीफ मिनिस्टरान की तुमी रावा, फुडल्या सेशनाक घालया म्हणून.
It's a pity that the force has to come on the street again. I really can't blame this government because my government also didn't do anything. When we were in power, we didn't do. And it is shameful. Any government that is there, they must realize that English is important. You can teach Konkani and Marathi, but English is very important for the students to come up in life. So I think the government should hit to the demand.
Today is the second day of hunger strike. Savil office secretary is on indefinite hunger strike from yesterday, and we will go ahead with the hunger strike. Today we have some parents from few schools of ours, only two from the north. Sorry, one from the north, two from the south, and one from the west. So we have only 4 schools. That also we have called only the executives. Most of the parents are the executive members. Since the schools have their exams, we don't want to put the parents into inconvenience. But definitely we'll go on with the hunger strike till we achieve. Not called. It is not that way we have called less people or something like that. It is basically parents we have called only few schools. Like tomorrow there will be another batch. Yesterday was a batch which was of 7 schools, 6 or 7 schools. But today it's only 4 schools.